And when I was defending UDA members, it was not a crime. But now it's a crime when I'm defending the Azimio members of parliament and those who are there. So let us do this. Last, you remember very well, I have defended the police. Every policeman in this country have defended against a regime that called them killers, that called them murderers. Today the police is standing firm. Everybody got scared to defend the police. I stood up. Now the police want me to record a statement from me. After it changes, they will still be arrested. The only constant factor is that the lawyers never refuse to represent a client because of politics. So I will be here. I've had their summons in my office. I've not seen them. Once I leave here, I'll meet my legal team. I'll also be advised by my legal team on the way